In recent years, there has been a lot of interest in using apple cider vinegar as a supplement to support fasting. Due to its health benefits, various forms of apple cider vinegar have been used for ages. Until today, people around the world are using the modern packed apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar on its own has plenty of health benefits, and if you combine it with fasting, you would be getting even more benefits. Let's start with the basics. Fasting is the practice of abstaining from consuming calories for a period of time. This includes eating or drinking anything that contains calories. This definition of fasting might differ if you are fasting for religious or spiritual purposes. In some beliefs, you are not allowed to drink water during your fast. But under the context of a health fast, you are encouraged to drink water during fasting. You are not allowed to consume anything with calories. Since water has no calories, you are allowed to drink water during a health fast. The concept of fasting has been done for centuries for religious, spiritual, as well as for health reasons. There are different types of fasting, including water fasting, intermittent fasting, and prolonged fasting. Fasting on its own has plenty of health benefits. Some of the most common reasons people fast are to lose weight, increase insulin sensitivity, increase the production of human growth hormone, increase immunity, increase the brain-derived neurotrophic factor, increase the autophagy process, and even increase stem cell production. Fasting also increases the awareness and mindfulness of the body. You will be more alert and responsive when you fast regularly. So yes, you probably already know that fasting does wonders for you. Now let's talk about apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is made by fermenting apple cider. It contains acetic acid, which is known to have many health benefits. On its own, apple cider vinegar can help you increase insulin sensitivity, reducing your risk of diabetes. Apple cider vinegar can also reduce your blood pressure and cholesterol levels by binding them and removing it from your body. And probably one of the favorite benefits of apple cider vinegar is that it can help reduce belly fat significantly. There are still plenty of benefits of apple cider vinegar for overall health, but let's focus on just these benefits for this video. Fasting with apple cider vinegar will not only help you fast easier and for a longer duration, but also maximize the health benefits of apple cider vinegar. We recommend consuming 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of water before you start your fast and consuming 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar mixed with a glass of water when you break your fast. By doing so, the apple cider vinegar would help your body to reduce appetite and hunger, making you able to fast for a longer duration. It will also increase your energy levels, and a boosted energy level would help your mental performance as well. And last but not the least, it would supplement your weight loss process. So you would be burning more fats compared to just normal fasting or just consuming apple cider vinegar normally. Since this is a health fast and not a religious fast, there are mixed beliefs regarding consuming apple cider vinegar during your fasting period. Some believe that by doing so, you would break your fast, since technically apple cider vinegar contains calories. Even though it is low in calories, it still contains calories, and consuming apple cider would break your fast. Some believe that since the calorie and fat content is low, it is negligible, and hence it shouldn't be counted as breaking your fast. Our advice is to consume it before you fast and when you are breaking your fast. Avoid consuming it during your fasting period. Apple cider vinegar can be a powerful supplement to support your fasting process. We have also listed out some of the best suppliers of apple cider vinegar in our description, and we have also provided special discounted and promo codes to purchase apple cider vinegar directly online. We do hope that you would consider trying to fast with apple cider vinegar and find this video helpful. If you did, please support us by clicking the like button and sharing this video to friends and families. We have more health secrets coming up later. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy.